A healthy lawn starts with proper care, and removing thatch is key to letting your grass breathe and absorb nutrients. The best lawn dethatchers make this task easy and efficient, helping you maintain a lush green yard by clearing away the layer of dead grass and debris that can suffocate your lawn. Whether you have a small backyard or a large lawn, these tools are designed to save time and keep your grass thriving. Starting at number 1, Joe Corded Dethatcher. The Joe AJ801E gives homeowners a simple but effective way to revitalize their lawn without backbreaking work. Its 12-amp motor and 12.6-inch cutting width let you quickly cover a good portion of lawn, while the 5-position depth control helps tailor dethatching or scarifying depth to your lawn's needs. Thanks to its spring steel tines and air boost pickup, it lifts out built-up thatch and debris that block water, oxygen, and nutrients, helping your grass breathe and absorb what it needs. The included 8-gallon collection bag collects the waste neatly, saving you the hassle of raking clumps by hand. For small to medium lawns, the Joe AJ801E offers a balance of power, convenience, and price that makes dethatching less of a chore and brings a healthier, greener lawn closer. Number 2, Greenworks 24V Lawn Mower. The Greenworks 24V 13-inch mower gives you fuss-free cordless lawn care. Just press a button and go. No gas, oil, or extension cords needed. Its brushless 24V motor delivers surprisingly good cutting power for a battery mower, while the lightweight build, 24-30 yelms depending on exact setup, and compact 13-inch cutting deck make it easy to maneuver around flower beds, trees, and tight spaces. With a 4.0 Ah battery included, you get roughly 20 to 30 minutes of runtime under normal lawn conditions, enough for small-medium lawns, and the mower offers 5-level height adjustment, plus the convenience of mulching or bagging. Quiet, emission-free, and low maintenance, it's ideal for regular upkeep when you want tidy results without the fuss of bulky gas mowers. Number 3, Agri-Fab 450294 Lawn Dethatcher. The Agri-Fab 450294 is a heavy-duty tow-behind dethatcher designed to clear away thatch, old grass, and debris from larger lawns quickly and efficiently. With a wide 40-inch working swath, its 20 heat-treated spring steel tines dig into your lawn to pull up matted grass and compacted soil, helping water, air, and nutrients better reach the roots. It connects to most lawn and garden tractors via a universal hitch, making it ideal for bigger properties where pushing a dethatcher by hand would be impractical. Its sturdy steel build, semi-pneumatic wheels, and optional weight tray holds up to 70 watts, allow for deeper penetration, perfect if your lawn has heavy thatch buildup or compacted soil. If you want a reliable dethatcher to use annually or seasonally, and you already own a ride-on mower tractor, this Agri-Fab 450294 offers a solid mix of power, coverage, and durability. Number 4, Brinly 48 Tow-Behind Grass Dethatcher. The Brinly 48's Tow-Behind Grass Dethatcher is a heavy-duty lawn attachment built for efficiently clearing thatch and dead grass from large lawns. With a wide 48-inch working path and 2 rows of independently flexing spring steel tines, it combs through your turf, lifts up built-up thatch, dead roots, and decomposed grass, helping restore airflow and nutrient access to the soil. Its all-steel construction and durable triple-coil spring tines are designed for long-term use, and its universal hitch allows you to pull it behind most lawn tractors or riding mowers. Because of its size and coverage, the Brinly 48's Dethatcher is especially suitable if you manage a large yard or garden and want to get the job done quickly. Number 5, WORX WG850 Dethatcher. The WORX WG850 is a lightweight corded electric dethatcher designed to make lawn dethatching easier and faster, without heavy equipment or a tractor. Its 12-amp motor drives 14-inch wide tines at up to 3,500 RPM, allowing you to rip up dead grass, roots, and debris that accumulate beneath the turf. You also get 3 depth settings, 9mm, 3mm, plus 3mm to tailor how aggressively you dethatch, from light surface maintenance to deeper thatch removal. The included collection bag captures the uprooted debris, making cleanup more convenient, while a fold-down handle and lock-off switch help with storage and safety. Because it's relatively light, that 18.6 lubs, and easy to maneuver, it's a solid choice for homeowners with modest lawns who want a quick, straightforward way to restore lawn health and improve nutrient and water access for their grass.